Give me my money.
Come. What's come over you? You walk in, you can't even say good.
Daddy, calm down. Don't worry.
What do you mean?
When he come to
you want me to
don't worry, calm down. It's too small for me to handle. Don't worry, I will handle the case. Don't worry. Oh, Kumpra, which money am I owing you that made you to back inside my compound without taking any schools?
I work for you, I refuse to pay. Pay my money.
Which money? Just look at yourself. Do you work up to that amount? A lazy guy like you, do you look like someone that can afford 100,000? A lazy guy like you. So you expected me to give you such an amount? Do whatever you like. Anywhere you want to go, what kind of anywhere you want to go. I'm here waiting for you. Look at you, a lazy guy like you. You expected me to suffer and bring 100,000 gift to you. Just go and do what you want to do. Call a Wenga or call a Capacho. I don't care. See money. Come and take your money.
Relax. That your money. You see. That your money is already in your pocket. Today, we will pay you. Where is it? Come out here. That's you. Look at idiot. That was calling my friend idiot. You will not understand.
Okumpura, you think you bring your friend here in order for him to come and machete me in my whole house?
I am not talking to you. Leave him alone now, friend. Come, see. Don't friend. I am not your friend.
The matter that
why must you hold him?
You can't just jump into a matter without conclusion.
Who is this idiot? They call him my friend.
Come, listen to me. You can't just conclude a matter between two people without hearing both sides. Come, let's talk first. I don't want to pay this guy this money. This money, another person have already done the job. So I just want to use this money to hold myself. So just calm down. Pretend as if nothing is happening. Hey, my good friend. Money is talking. Money is talking.
You should have explained to me. Well, you. Why do you have to insult an innocent and just don't like this? What is wrong with you? What? If you don't move out from this place, I'll be the one to cut you. Move out!